Hello guys, it's eBricks. We are going to build a Lego Concorde. So the Concorde is one of the planes that crashed in 2000, in July 2000. I made one video that was the Concorde, and now I'm going to build a similar one to the one that I crashed on the video. Okay, let's start building. So we first start with this piece with like 6 studs. Then we get this pointy white piece that looks like a teeth, like sharp teeth, and then put it right there. And now let's get this right there. Okay, there. Then put this 1x1 stud underneath. Now, just like go like this. Put this 6 stud rectangle piece and put it right there. Then let's get this, put it right there. Now let's put this there, and then this right there for the delta wing. And then let's do the same with the other side. There. Now, let's get this right here for the engines. Put that for the engine right there. And then for the delta wing, like a part of the delta wing, put it right there. Now let's put this right there. Okay, let's do the other one. This. And this. There. And oh, that's the wrong way. That's the right way now. Right there. Wait, cancel. Wait, I'm just trying to get the picture. Okay, now, so now let's get, this cheese wedge reflective, put it right there. Now, let's put this 2 stud rectangle piece that's flat with studs, put it right there. Get this flat stud piece with 8 studs. That's so hard. There. Now, let's put this on the bottom. Now we're gonna do the tail. Okay, so we get this right here. Put that cheese wedge right there, but not reflective. Put it right there. Now let's put this 8 stud flat piece without any studs on the top. Put it right there. And then we get this piece. This has 2 studs. That's a rectangle. Put it right. It's hard to there. Put it like that, and then get this stud. Don't worry about that. I just got that from just like it's just like, you don't need to have one stud like that because it's just like a print. So you put that right there, put this stud that's flat there. Put it right there. Black cheese wedge, put it right there, and done. There's the Concorde. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.